So when we're dealing with inequalities, what we say is we basically solve them the same way as we solve our equation, as an equation rather, except rather than having just one answer, we're going to use our less than or greater than symbol. So we're saying that 2 times some number plus 3 minus that number is greater than 4, greater than. So what we do, let's expand that. So it's become 2x plus 6 minus x is greater than 4. So we'll simplify this and we'll say x plus 6 is greater than 4. So from there, x is greater than negative 2. And that's it. Now, the other thing you'll be asked to do is you may be asked to draw this on a number line. So to see this, here we've got x is greater than negative 2. So what you need to do, just show a number line like that. Let me just undo that because I've got to actually use that. And we're going to say x is greater than negative 2. So once you've drawn that, put in your put in your numbers, so negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0. And then from there, what you do is, because this is greater than, we draw an open circle, or we draw an empty circle. And then we can say it takes up all the numbers greater than negative 2. As you see, it's hovering above that. If this had been x is greater than or equal to negative 2, we'd have a different thing. Over here, so we've still got negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 0. Instead of having our closed circle or our open circle, we would have a coloured in circle. It's really hard for me to do with this. And same thing with an arrow there. So this is, this is all the numbers greater than negative 2 apart from negative 2. This is all the numbers greater than negative 2 and negative 2. That's the way we do that. Now, just a quick thing here, if we had our answer had been something like, let's say we'd be doing negative 4x, and we'd end up with negative 2x is greater than, why is it negative here? What is going on? Oh, no, that's fine. If we had negative 2x is greater than 4, for example, if we had been stuck with that, we'd have to divide both sides by negative 2. So we divide this by negative 2, we divide this by negative 2, and we end up with x and negative 2, but we'd have to flip the sign. So because we've divided by a negative number, we flip our symbol. That's what we end up doing there. So as soon as we divide or multiply by a negative number, we flip our symbol. That's pretty much the solving inequalities.